Welcome to this tutorial on configuring an NTP server in PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance as used on a DM5500 system. If PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance is configured to use both IPv4 and IPv6, setting an NTP server and time zone is essential for accurate date and time information in reports. Let's get started. First, open the PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance UI. Click on Settings, then select System Configuration. Follow the steps shown on the introduction screen and make any necessary changes from the Introduction and Network tabs. From the time and location list, select the applicable time zone used by PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance. This time zone is crucial for component communication. To modify the NTP server, click the plus button. In the NTP server field, enter the hostname or IP address of your NTP server. Click Next and continue through the steps. Save the configuration when prompted to enter the proper credentials. And that's it. You've successfully configured an NTP server in PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance. A few important notes to keep in mind. When configuring a DM5500, the system requires access to the NTP server for time synchronization. This can be a physical server with its own hardware clock or any public NTP server. The NTP server must not use the Windows W32TM service for time synchronization, as it is unreliable. The DM5500 supports up to 2 NTP servers. If using 2, ensure they are synchronized. It is crucial that the NTP server complies with these requirements to avoid configuration errors. The PowerProtect Data Manager Appliance system is configured to use an NTP server to synchronize time across search engine nodes in a multi-node cluster. The system time is synchronized with the ESXi host system. Ensure the system time matches those of the systems it interfaces with to avoid compliance check failures. It's recommended that all systems use an NTP server. The NTP server uses port 123, so make sure this port is open to prevent any issues. Thank you for watching.